After AAP's loss in Delhi, tremors are being felt in Bhagwant Mann-led Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab. After Punjab Congress claimed that over 30 AAP MLAs were in touch with them to switch camps, to switch over, Kejriwal held a meet today in Delhi with all Punjab MLAs and Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann in attendance. And soon after that, Chief Minister Mann dismissed all talk of an exodus, saying very clearly that the Congress repeatedly makes these claims, but that there's no truth to it, that AAP remains united in Punjab.
Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann and 93 of his MLAs made a beeline for Kapurthala House in Delhi for a meeting with AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal. The key huddle came 3 days after AAP's Delhi loss. And amid massive buzz that the Punjab government is on shaky ground, with the Congress leader Pratap Singh Bajwa declaring on India Today that over 30 AAP MLAs are ready to switch sides.
प्रताप बाजवा पिछले पौने 3 साल से यही कह रहे हैं, तो उनको कहने दो, उनके पास है नहीं। उनको बोलो जी हमारे विधायकों की बात गिनती मत करो, अपने गिन लो दिल्ली में कितने हैं। तीसरी बार उनके यहाँ कल्चर है इधर जाने का, कभी उधर आने का, कभी वापस आने का। मतलब एक उनका नेता है वो ढोल बजा रहा था कि आम आदमी पार्टी हार गई, तो नीचे कमेंट आ रहे थे कि भाई साहब ये जीरो पे ढोल बजा रहे हो कि आपकी जीरो आई है तीसरी बार। तो अपना फिक्र नहीं करते, दूसरों में नुक्स निकालते रहते।
Despite the entire Punjab government leadership being called to Delhi, the meeting lasted only 23 minutes. Sources tell India Today that Arvind Kejriwal told the Punjab MLAs that they must concentrate on 2027 polls and reiterated the AAP leadership was strong. The Punjab Chief Minister also told his MLAs that their aim should be to develop Punjab as a model state.
इतनी जल्दी उनको मीटिंग बुलाना तो मेरा ख्याल है कि वो जल्दी टूट जाएंगे। जब पार्टी हारती है मंथन तो होता है, वहाँ की स्टेट का होता है, दूसरी स्टेट का नहीं होता। तो उन्होंने ये देख लिया कि कहीं दिल्ली में जो हुआ है वो पंजाब में ना हो जाए।
They are worried that what happened in Delhi may be repeated in Punjab.
देखो दर्द बहुत गहरा था, चोट बहुत बड़ी थी और उसे मलहम लगाने के लिए 96 लोग यहाँ चल के आए। वो मलहम आज सिर्फ केजरीवाल जी की लगाई है और बाकी दूसरा ऑपरेशन तो जो है अभी शुरू होगा।
The BJP and the Congress both continue to claim that time is running out for the Bhagwant Mann government.
को मौका एमएलए का तो जरूर बनाएंगे।
अच्छा, एक आखिरी प्रश्न, कितने ऐसे विधायक हैं जो आपको लगता है कि वो कांग्रेस के साथ मिलकर सरकार बनाने की इच्छुक होंगे? आम आदमी
लीडरशिप जिन्होंने बयान दिया वो कह रहे 30-35 विधायक हैं जो उनके साथ कांटेक्ट में हैं।
हारे दिल्ली में है बैठक पंजाब के एमएलए की, क्यों? क्योंकि सपना देख रहे हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल जी पंजाब के मुख्यमंत्री बनने का। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी सत्ता के बिना रह नहीं सकते। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी गलतफहमी मत रहना, अब वो साबित करने पे लगे हैं कि भगवंत मान नालायक हैं, करप्ट हैं, उन्होंने करप्शन नहीं रोकी, उन्होंने नशा नहीं रोका। ये सच है, लेकिन भगवंत मान को हटाकर अरविंद केजरीवाल बन जाएं, ये सच कभी हो नहीं सकता और ये कभी होने वाला नहीं है। इसलिए अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ऐसे सपने देखने बंद कर दो।
The Punjab political pot boiler continues to simmer. With Piyush Mishra and Ashutosh Mishra in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Okay, let's bring in Ashutosh Mishra to decode really what happened in that particular huddle. Ashutosh, was it really a crisis meet? What prompted this kind of a huddle to take place? Was it the effect or the impact of the Delhi election results being felt on the Punjab AAP?
Well, the politicians and the opposition particularly reading this meeting in a different way. But as a reporter who has been covering this, all the incidents, it was quite scheduled one. I remember and I knew that from day one, right after the defeat, it was scheduled. The first they will be meeting with the winning candidates. Then they will be meeting with the candidates who lost the election. And it was third time to meet the MLAs and the ministers who were participating. Now, if I tell you that out of these all 93 MLAs except the speaker, all these MLAs were placed at a booth the ward, the campaign manager, even the star campaigners. So they were all working. So it was time not only to take a feedback. Of course, for last 3 days, there were feedback session with the party leadership, including Sandeep Pathak and others. And this time, Arvind Kejriwal called everyone to give out a message. Whatever happened in Delhi, there is identity on the governance model, and this time to go door to door, go to the people. So if one line to understand the message that Kejriwal wanted to give, there is a strong leadership, not going to change any leadership. Bhagwant Mann is the face. Party need to work and make its identity of the governance model, and they have to deliver the promises. So these all the statement. It was started by Bhagwant Mann, concluded by Arvind Kejriwal. 30 minutes meeting with these two leaders, and then Bhagwant Mann addressed the cabinet meeting. But of course, there are a lot to read between the lines, Akshita.
Yeah, there's a lot of speculation doing the rounds, but Ashutosh Mishra telling us that this was a routine meet scheduled to take place. Thanks, Ashutosh, for joining us with those details.